Hi, Representative Jimmy Anderson here, and I just wanted to share my personal story, given everything that's been happening in the news today. It's been almost 7 years since I've been able to celebrate my birthday. It was back in 2010 when I was visiting my family, and we were going out to celebrate my birthday. We were going to go get dinner at my favorite restaurant when a drunk driver hit us, and I lost my mom, my dad, my little brother, and I was paralyzed from the chest down in the accident. And it was the hardest, most tragic day of my life, but it was going to get harder. It wasn't long until I got my neck fusion surgery when my insurance company told me that they were going to kick me off my plan because I was going to exceed my lifetime maximums. And my wife and I didn't know what we were going to do. We had played by the rules and paid our premiums, but it didn't matter. They could just kick us off. But luckily, 2 days after that, I got a letter in the mail saying that the provisions of the Affordable Care Act were kicking in. They got rid of those lifetime maximums. And I mean it when I say that it saved my life. I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for the Affordable Care Act. And so, as we've seen at the federal level, they're trying to repeal that. And I know that's really scary for a lot of families. I believe what the Senate passed today made it easier to exclude essential benefits like maternity care. It's going to have severe cuts to Medicaid, and ultimately it's going to result in higher premiums and higher deductibles for regular hardworking families. And not only that, but we see attacks here at the state level as well. Last night at 1 o'clock in the morning, Republicans passed a bill that would make it easier to exclude people with pre-existing conditions and bring back high-risk pools, which lead to worse healthcare outcomes and it's more expensive for, again, regular hardworking families here in our state. So we need to come together, we need to fight back, and we need to, support each other, because we all know somebody that is struggling with cancer or dealing with some kind of chronic health issue, or maybe have a kid one day. So it's really important that we all fight for each other so that way we can all live healthy, happy lives. So thank you.